Something strange happens to a woman around 50 years old. The world quietly stops seeing her. I know because I lived it. I gave corporate America decades. I worked fast. I worked clean. I did everything that they said gets rewarded. And do you know the biggest raise that I have received in all those years? $1.50 an hour. My job description grew every single year, and the salary never grew with it. And somewhere around 50 years old, I felt the room itself change. Experience started getting treated like an expiration date. And if you saw the last video, you already know that story. This video is what I did about it. Because here is what I finally understood. That was never a skills problem. That is a visibility problem. And today I am handing you 5 ways to get paid real money from real companies for the exact experience that the world trained itself not to see. Because here's the thing that nobody says out loud. The world did not stop needing what you know. It just stopped posting the jobs where you would see them. The loud money, the influencer stuff, the make 6 figures in your sleep. That is not where women like us win. We win in the quiet money, the jobs that nobody is making a viral video about, which is exactly why they are still hiring the people everybody else scrolled past. So now let me show you 5. But first, I need to say who I made this video for. I made this video for the immigrant women, the Black women, the women who came here alone and built an entire life with nobody standing behind them to catch a single fall. When there is no net under you, a side hustle is not a cute little extra. It is oxygen. And it is the difference between choosing your life and just absorbing whatever happens to you. And here is the part that makes me angry. We were told to be twice as good and half as tired. We over-delivered for 30 years. And then somehow, around 50 years old, the same world that squeezed us dry decided that we were what? Too old. Too late. No, nobody ever handed us the map for turning what we already know into money that is ours. And then they called us behind for not knowing the thing that they never taught. One ground rule before the list, and this is the most important sentence in this video. If anybody asks you to pay money to get a job, run. A real job pays you. The scams hunting women our age, they dress themselves up as opportunities and then ask for a fee, a starter kit, and inventory. That is not a job. That is a trap with a smile on it. So now the 5 that I am about to give you are the opposite. Real work, real companies, and the only thing you invest first is your attention. And one more thing, the rates might change. So as of the day I am recording this, here are the honest numbers. And I want you to go read the actual listings yourself before you believe me or anybody else. Number 1, and this is the one that makes me laugh out loud. They spent years scaring us. The machines, they are coming for your job. Well, it turns out the machines are stupid. And companies, they are paying real humans from their kitchen tables to teach the AI how to sound like a person. And it is called an AI data trainer or a rater or a chat reviewer. You read what the machine wrote and then you tell it where it is wrong. No phone calls, no boss that is breathing over your neck. As of right now, the listing that I have seen, they run roughly $20 to $40 an hour. So go and search AI trainer remote and read a few of those jobs for yourself. And my confession, when I first heard about this kind of work, a familiar old voice started up. I am 50 years old. I am not technical enough. This is not for me. This is the same voice that once talked me out of rooms that I belonged in before I ever knocked on the door. Except this time I recognized it and I did not let it vote. So hear me on this one. The machine needs a human who has lived a whole life to teach it what human even means. That is not a young person's job. That is yours. So your first step this week, search the words AI trainer remote or data annotation jobs. Read 3 of those listings from start to finish and notice what they actually ask for. It is not a computer science degree. It is a careful reading, good judgment, and patience. So 3 things that you have owned for decades anyways. Number 2, Virtual bookkeeping. Every small business in this country is drowning in receipts and terrified of tax seasons. They will pay you remotely on your schedule to bring order to that chaos. The listings, they run about $25 to $40 an hour, and you can get certified in a matter of weeks, not years. And here's the part that I love about this one. This one does not have to stay a side hustle. It becomes a business of your own. You start with one client, then three. Then you never fill out somebody else's application again. My confession on this one cost me something to say. For 30 years, I could bring order to everybody else's chaos except my own. I kept everyone else's house in order, the family's problem, other people's emergency, while my own numbers, they went wild in the dark. And it took me until 50 years old to turn that skill around and point it at my own life. And that exact instinct, the need to make the mess make sense, it turns out to be worth real money. So the skills you have been giving away for free your whole life, somebody has been waiting to pay you for it. So your first step here is to look up bookkeeping certification program this week and then just read the syllabus. You do not have to enroll tonight. Just read it. You will notice something that surprises you. You always understand half of it because you have been running a household budget under pressure for 30 years. So that was the training right there, and nobody called it that. Number 3, remote payroll support. And this one, I am not giving you from a job listing. I am giving you from a real person that I know who's doing it now. A friend of mine works from home for a company that processes payroll for senior care. So the companies that take care of our elders at home and in facilities, somebody has to make sure that all those caregivers get paid correctly. And here's what her whole job is. She answers the phone from her computer at home and she fixes the payroll issues that the computer missed. Sit with that for a second. The software ran the payroll, and they still need a human being with patience and a good ear for everything the software got wrong. So she started, I think, at $25 an hour. And when she wanted more, there were extra hours there for her to pick up. And why is this door open? Because nobody is making a flashy video about payroll. It is not sexy, which means it is not crowded. The quiet jobs stay open for the women everyone else scrolled past. And here is why I know this one belongs to you. Think about what that job actually is. Somebody calls upset because their pay is wrong, and a calm woman listens, untangles it, and then makes it right. You have been doing that exact job your whole life for your family for free, by the way. And the only thing that changes now is the paycheck. So take this one with you. Borrowing money is still money, and borrowing money is the most reliable kind there is. So your first step here is to search remote payroll support or payroll specialist remote, and read 3 of those listings and look at what they actually require: patience, accuracy, and a phone voice that calms people down. And you have decades of practice. Finally, for pay. Number 4, and this one is for the woman who is done asking permission to leave early. It is a notary loan signing agent. A notary loan signing agent walks people through signing their mortgage and real estate paperwork. You get commissioned as a notary, you add the signing certification, and then you set your own appointments. So the requirements and the fees, they vary by state, so you have to check your state. But the signing themselves, commonly, they pay $75 to $200, and it's not per hour, it's per signing. And my confession here is one you have heard me make before. For 30 years, somebody else owned my calendar. Somebody else decided when I ate, when I left, when I was allowed to breathe. And I made a whole video about taking my time back, and it is linked below. This is the first kind of work in this list where you own the clock completely. You spend your whole life on everyone else's schedule. This is you buying it back and signing at a time. So your first step, you have to search notary requirements plus the name of your state, because every state is different. Some make it easy, some make you work for it. And one evening of reading and you will know exactly what the door costs. where you live. Now, number 5, freelance proofreading and transcription. If you can catch the mistakes that nobody else caught and you can hit a deadline, you already qualify. Today, the listings run about $15 to $30 an hour from your kitchen table around your life. And my last confession, my whole career, I was the one who caught the error that everyone else missed, the detail that would have broken everything. And I was never once thanked for it. They just expected it. And that was the twice as good tax collected in silence for decades. Well, that exact over precision, the care that they took for granted, it finally has a paycheck attached to it. And your first step here is to take a proofreading test online this week. Most of the legitimate platforms, they have one. So 20 minutes and you will have an answer that is based on evidence instead of fear. So let your score talk, not the voice. So here are your 5 small enough to screenshot. Number 1, AI data trainer. Teach the machine what humans mean. Number 2, virtual bookkeeping. Make the mess make sense. And then you can own your own business doing that. Number 3, remote payroll support. It is the quiet money that nobody is fighting you for. Number 4, Notary loan signing agent. You buy back your own calendar. And number 5, proofreading and transcription. You get paid for the care that they took for granted. Not one of these needs you to be younger. Every single one needs exactly what 50 years built in you. And remember the ground rule. If anybody asks you to pay to get hired, run like Forrest Gump. And before I close, let me tell you what this money is actually for. Because it is not about becoming a millionaire from your kitchen table. And I made a whole video about your enough number, the real cost of your real life. And for most of us, the gap between where we are and where enough lives is a few $100s a month. Not a fortune, a gap. And every single hustle on this list can close a gap that size. That is the whole point of quiet money. It is not loud, it is enough. And if this is the first video that ever told you the truth about money after 50 years old, subscribe and stay with me. Because I started this channel at 50 years old with a phone and a cheap tripod. And it pays me now. And I'm not asking you to believe in miracles. I am asking you to believe in quiet money. This channel is where we build this together. Now, let me take you back to where we started, to the woman that the world trained itself not to see. I used to think that being overlooked, it was proof of something, proof that I had missed my window, that the world was finished with me at 50 years old. I know. I was wrong. It was never proof that I was invisible. It was proof that I kept walking into rooms that were built not to see me. Because there is a whole world of work out there that is desperate for exactly what you are. A woman with 30 years of showing up, a woman who was twice as good her entire life and never once got to be tired out loud. They did not stop needing her. They just stopped looking, so she stopped waiting to be found. The quiet money is not a lesser dream. It is the room that finally sees you. You were never behind. You were early to your own second birth. And if we have not met, I'm Webley, Haitian immigrant, mother, and living proof that starting over at 50 years old is not a crisis. It is a second birth. So now I want you to tell me in the comments, which one are you starting this week? Just the number. Number 1, 2, 3, or 5. That is your commitment in writing, where we can all see it. Then I want you to go read 3 real listings tonight, and I will meet you back here tomorrow.